XVE0 1818 wattage lithium battery charger / power adapter, voltage range, 100-240 VAC 50/60 Hz, output voltage range, 4.2 volt 42.0 volt output current range, 0.5 ampere 2.5 ampere. And support product parameters customization, 12.6 volt 1 ampere power tool charger, 12 volt 1 ampere CCTV camera adapter, 8.4 volt 2 ampere LED strip and other products customization. XVE018 undergoes strict quality control procedures, 100% full load aging test, and has passed the Global Safety Certification, CE, FCC, ROHS, LVD, ERP, GS, UKCA, SAA, PSE, KC, BSMI, CB, PSB, ETL, CCC etc. We are committed to the product 3-year warranty, the product maintenance rate less than 0.3%. The charger has built-in short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, over-temperature protection, over-voltage protection, under-voltage protection, reverse connection protection, etc. to ensure safe charging. AC and DC cable connectors for chargers and adapters support customization of various specifications. For more details about XVE products, please contact us by clicking the form.